What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we are going to apply for a new credit card, guys. I received a offer letter in the mail from Wells Fargo for their Active Cash credit card, guys, and I am going to apply for it live today, and we'll see if I actually get this credit card. So anyway, so I like this credit card. I've been keeping an eye on it, and I was surprised that I received an offer from Wells Fargo in the mail just recently, about a week ago. And as soon as I got it, I was like, wow, this is great. I've always wanted this card, and they made me an offer. They sent me an offer. This is great. And so this credit card, you get 2% cash back. I love that. One of the great things about a card like this, you don't have to worry about, all these categories and stuff like that. I hate that. I mean, I have credit cards like that, and, I do it because I have to, but I think this credit card is going to be one that is going to be in my wallet, and it's going to get used a lot because I don't have to worry about, categories and so forth. It's just 2% on all purchases across the board. It can't get any easier than that. And also, the next thing that I like about this credit card is the APR, the 15-month 0% interest rate APR for purchases and balance transfer, guys. I am going to use it for both of those things. So anyways, and then the other thing that I like about it is can you guys see that? $0 on annual fees. No annual fees. I hate paying annual fees. None of my well, take that back. One of my credit cards does have an annual fee. Anyways, I hate annual fees. So it's great to see that I won't have to pay any annual fees on this card if I get it, because I'm going to apply live today, and we'll see if I actually get that credit card. So I'm really excited about this card. Hopefully getting this card. And the other cool thing about this offer that I received in the mail, and I think a lot of people should take advantage of this. I don't hear that many people talking about this. I received this offer in the mail because 2 years ago, I went on the web and I opted into pre-screen opt-outs website. And I actually opted in. In fact, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so you guys, if you guys haven't done this already, so you guys can opt in and get offers in the mail from credit card companies, because they go there and they look at your credit profiles and they make you offers if your credit profile matches what they're looking for. And that's how I received this offer. I mean, clearly says it there. That's where this offer came from. So guys, I think that's a great tool. If you haven't heard about it, the link is in the description. Like I said before, you should go there and opt in. So anyway, so next thing we're going to do is I'm going to apply, and we're going to see if I'm going to get that credit card or not. Cross your fingers. I hope I get it. Watch me apply. So the first thing I did was enter the reserve number information from the promotional letter that I received in the mail. The next thing I did was enter my personal information to the online application. I didn't enter any information here because I wasn't going to do an authorized user. I am going to do a balance transfer, but I'm going to do it later. And the next thing I did was review the application and hit submit. Guys, I was so nervous. I did not know if I was going to get approved or not. In a couple of seconds, you're going to hear me take a big sigh. Wow. I got approved, and the next thing you guys are going to see is the letter that I received, the email that I received saying that I was approved and the details of my card. So happy I got approved. Wow, I got that card. Isn't that amazing, credit family? I am so excited. I got a credit limit of $7,000. Wow, I'm so excited. Wow. Hey, guys, leave me a comment down below if you guys are excited too. Leave me a comment down below if you guys are going to apply for this credit card. Hey, leave me a comment down below if you're going to go to the pre-screen opt-out website and opt in. I am so excited. I can't believe I get this card. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, You know what? Maybe I'll make a unboxing video when I receive this card in a couple of days. I think I'm gonna get it in a week or two. I'm so excited to get this card. I really like all of the offers that this card has. Anyways, hey guys, leave me a comment down below. Just say hi. Ask me how I'm doing, whatever. But anyways, please like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please like my video. Hey, I need help, guys. Hey, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, guys. So please, like my video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hey, and also check out my affiliate links in the description, guys. That stuff would really help out my channel. So, anyways, that's all that I have for today. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.